Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn how to correctly use make. We will take it step by step, starting with learning and then moving on to practice. Let's get started.
Make friends.
To become someone's friend.
Make friends. She is very good at making friends. They made friends with the children next door.
It was embarrassing.
No, it wasn't. It was funny. People loved us.
They loved you because you were little and cute.
The guys liked you. They loved you. Thought you were a hot little muchacha. Mm-hmm. You liked it.
Well,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
you did know how to make friends, at least.
Damn right he did.
Make fun of.
To make a joke about someone or something in a way that is not kind.
Make fun of. The other children were always making fun of him because he was fat. He may feel very angry at people who make fun of him.
You finished? I mean, there's so much self-pity, Arthur. You sound like you're making excuses for killing those young men. Not everybody, and I'll tell you this, not everyone is awful.
You're awful, Mark.
Me? I'm awful? Oh yeah, how am I awful?
Playing my video. Inviting me on the show. You just wanted to make fun of me. You're just like the rest of them.
Make something.
Creating or building something. I'm going to make a cake for the party.
They always make a plan before starting a new project. He made his girlfriend a surprise breakfast in bed.
You know, Jay, with everything that's happened, you ought to go away. Tonight, they'll trace your car.
Go away. No, can't leave now. Not tonight.
Jay, do you understand that a woman has been killed?
Daisy's going to call in the morning. Then we'll make plans to go away together.
Make somebody or something do something.
Causing or forcing something to happen.
The strong winds made the trees sway dangerously.
Her comments made him feel happy.
His parents always make him do his homework before going out.
She said no.
Aw, man. You sent her flowers, right?
Just like you told me.
And the card, what the card say?
From me.
No, man, you gotta say stuff like, I miss you, give me a second chance, roses are red, I love you, I long to be with you.
She's got a boyfriend.
It don't matter, you need to make her laugh, make her smile. Girls don't get the attention they deserve.
Make somebody or something plus adjective.
To describe how something affects or influences a person or situation.
The unfair decision made him very angry.
The warm sunshine made the day enjoyable.
The advanced technology made it possible to communicate instantly.
The unexpected surprise party made it the happiest birthday I've ever had.
This was such a great afternoon.
It was a really great.
You know, you don't have to walk me in. It's freezing and...
You can just say you don't want me to come in.
No, it's not that. No, I'm just tired. I think I'm going to take a nap. It's not that.
Okay, I'll pretend I believe you.
Graham, I'm leaving in 9 days, and that makes this complicated. And I'm not sure I can handle complicated right now.
Okay.
Now, let's move on to the practice part, the most important part. Look at the photos on the screen and try making sentences as you learn. If you're unsure, don't rush to see the answer. Pause the video and try to remember.
She is very good at making friends. They made friends with the children next door. The other children were always making fun of him because he was fat. He may feel very angry at people who make fun of him. He made his girlfriend a surprise breakfast in bed.
I'm going to make a cake for the party.
They always make a plan before starting a new project. His parents always make him do his homework before going out. The strong winds made the trees sway dangerously.
Her comments made him feel happy.
The advanced technology made it possible to communicate instantly. The unfair decision made him very angry.
The unexpected surprise party made it the happiest birthday I've ever had.
The warm sunshine made the day enjoyable.
Yeah, we did it. We did it. Come on, give me some. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some of that. Yeah.
Woohoo! I will see you cats on the flip-flop later.
Remember, don't forget to repeat and practice with patience. On different days, you can start the video directly from the practice part and challenge yourselves to recall the different uses of make in sentences. So, be patient and keep practicing. Your efforts will definitely pay off. In this video, we've learned how to use make in sentences. Now, it's your turn to create your own sentences and share them in the comments. In our next video, we'll explore common phrases with make. To support and motivate us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep practicing, and see you soon.